Yeah, so I got a bit of a different setup going on right here. You normally don't see me from this angle, and that's because normally I have like not a bunch of random stuff behind me, which is okay because that stuff is not at all about what the video is. Today's video is about my setup. It's 2020. I've made some changes in the past. Honestly, I probably haven't made a setup video in a very long time, so I've made multiple changes since then. This is pretty much going to be an entirely new setup, and I'm going to flip the camera around to that side and show you it. And you don't have to worry about any of that mess. Like, please forget it. I don't want to have to fold my blankets. So here we are. This is my desk setup. This is the whole computer setup I have going on right here for right now for 2020. This is the beginning of February. Pretty much I'm gonna record this and upload it like the next day, so this will be fairly accurate. This is just gonna be kind of vlog style, just like run and gun, point and shoot kind of thing going on. I'll probably make a follow-up video with like a full room tour, which don't expect too much from that. My room's pretty small. There's not going to be too much added compared to this, but there's still some things that I want to kind of like clean up a little bit before I really show everything off. Oh, and I'm not going to show off my PC in this, so that might show off more like really cool B-roll and stuff like I did in my other setup video. But for now, I'm just gonna like point at things and tell you what they are. This is a Herman Miller Aeron. If you don't have a good chair, consider getting one. I have other chairs that I've reviewed. Obviously on my channel I have a few chair reviews. This I'm still like figuring out how I like and how I want to sit in it. It's not groundbreaking. I personally would not buy one new, but I got this used for like $300 or something, and for that it's pretty good. I like it quite a bit. Again, I don't know that I absolutely love it way more than the other stuff that I've used. Like I've used quite a few chairs, to be honest, but it's good. I really like it. I definitely don't think you're going wrong if you pick one up. So my biggest goal with changing everything was cable management, and as you can see, except for like, you know, right there, I still have to, again, there's still some tidying I need to do. I need to get like a, not a bungee, what are they called? I don't know. Anyway, there's like a little hamper almost you can get for cables in the back of the PC. That is definitely something I will do in the future, but if you look underneath, cables look pretty clean again, except for that one little spot right there. I need to tidy that up. But otherwise, cables are pretty nice. I have a keyboard tray, which I don't use. I thought I would use it for more, and I don't. These are not for my desk. I just forgot to move those. That is charging phone. I don't know how I can stealthily do stuff like that. I was thinking maybe I would try to use the keyboard tray for it, or even remove the keyboard tray and get a mount. Honestly, I had the keyboard tray because I was gonna start taking my microphone on and off and putting it under there, but I just haven't been bothered to do that. So that might be something I'll do in the future. I don't know. This top is IKEA countertop, not a desktop. These are two IKEA Alex drawers. I believe that it's Alex. And then that is a little box that has like my router and stuff in it. I don't think they sell that anymore at IKEA. Or last time, I tried buying another one at some point in time, and I had no luck. So you very well may have no luck. Let me take you to this. So this, you get to see this magic in action because unfortunately the adhesive that I have for this is not the best. This thing's just kind of heavy, so every so often it comes off and you have to just like squeeze it back like that. So that's my Elgato Stream Deck. It does some cool things like this. Now the lights are on and it's like way too bright, but that's okay. So yeah, that's my Stream Deck. I'm still trying to figure out how I want to use it. I just got this a few weeks ago. I do stream, so check me out on there. And then corresponding with that is my Go XLR Mini, which controls sound. So good, so much better than my old setup. I'd love to show off what that was because it still might be kind of cheap and useful, but I had a really jank setup Probably wouldn't recommend it. The good thing about the Go XLR is that it isolates sound really well, and then it's like a pretty good mix amp for a microphone. I made a video on my mouse and my mods for it. I have not made a video on my keyboard, but my keyboard is just whatever the wireless Logitech mechanical keyboard is. Headphones are Bluetooth 4.5 BNTC or something. They're Sennheiser, as you can probably tell. Microphone. This microphone is amazing. Easily my favorite microphone. Absolutely recommend to everyone. It's USB and XLR, and it's a dynamic microphone. If you don't know anything about dynamic microphones, look it up. It'll change your life. Like, I am exaggerating a little, but dynamic microphones, like, if I knew about this 10 years ago, I would be much happier. Forget a Blue Yeti. This is where it's at. This is the Q2U. It's a Samsung, I believe. I don't know. I have it linked. I'll have everything I can link. Lights, honestly, I don't remember what they were. I don't really care for them. Honestly, I wouldn't really recommend them. They're good because they're compact, and you could change the color, but I much prefer soft boxes, which I use all the time, and I use these literally now because I made a setup for them, and I never used them before. So probably really wouldn't recommend. Again, maybe for like your use, it would be good, or if you need something compact. TV. This TV is sick. I don't know what it is, some Vizio. It's just nice having a 4K TV in your room, you know. I don't really use it in my workflow, honestly. My computer can't really handle all three of my monitors and this at 4K at the same time. I think that's literally just a limitation of the 1000 series NVIDIA cards. I don't know. I assume I just can't support the resolution. Look at those cables. Obviously, it's not amazing, but like not having stuff hang over and bump into everything, so nice. I really love it. Over here, I have the dongles for my wireless stuff. Sometimes I tuck them away, sometimes I keep them out, sometimes I trade stuff out, and then I do use a second mouse. Sometimes there's some games that I really want the extra buttons for, and I like this mouse. So sometimes I use it for like League of Legends. I'll sometimes use it, but it really just depends on what I'm doing. And then the PC, I've shown off everything in this, I think, in a previous video, except that graphics card, which I am going to make a video on in the future. Now, you might know exactly what that is. Maybe you have no idea. I don't know, but I'm making a video on it, so get ready for that. I do have my little camera mount right up there. Normally, the camera I'm using right now will be up there, and I use that for the intro for this video, to be specific. This monitor mount I made a video on, triple monitor mount, easily the best one I have ever used. Really nice. I've used a few dual monitors. I tried 2 triple, and this was the best one. It's a little pricey, but you know, it's pretty good. The cables back there, I have been trading out some cables, so it's pretty managed, but it's still a little messy. Really, my objective is to figure out how I want to clean up the cables over there, right there, and how I want to cleanly route cables from here. All I normally do with this bad boy up there is I plug in the power and the HDMI to it whenever I use it, and then I unplug it when I don't, because I can't even use all 4 at the same time anyway. Maybe I would just set it up as a 1080 and it might work. I don't know. I don't know if it's because of the refresh rate or the resolution, but these are all 144 Hz monitors, and they're really nice, and I'll try to have them linked. I definitely would recommend them. They have DisplayPort and HDMI. I said 144. They're not. They're 165. They're really fast and nice. Wallpaper, if anyone wants to ask, it's Evangelion. If you haven't seen it, probably some big spoilers. Clear that out of your mind. Go watch it, then come back and go, oh, I get it. Or don't. You know, you can do whatever. I'm not gonna make you watch anime. That's not really my thing. Yeah, I think that's really it. The improvements I want are for cable. Oh, I almost forgot. I have a smart light back there. It's pretty good. It was like 20 bucks or something. It's kowie, I believe, is the name of the brand. I can control it with Google Home, so it's pretty slick that I can do that. And yeah, I think that's really it. I hope you liked it. I like it. It's pretty cool. If you have any recommendations for things I can change, absolutely would love that. And that's really it. I'll see you guys.